Hi, this is Dina for Splitcoaststampers. In this tutorial, I'll share how you can use a layered stencil set for mono printing. You will need a gel press, mine here is about 6 by 6, a brayer, and 3 shades of paint in light, medium, and dark. These that I'm using here are inexpensive acrylic paints. I also numbered my stencils so I make sure I get them in the right order, and also make sure to set them up in the right way. The first time I did this, I had one upside down and it did not layer well that way. The one with the largest opening goes first. So I have a thin and even layer of paint that I applied with my brayer, set my stencil over it, and then I'm going to line up my cardstock with one of the corners to take my print. I don't clean my plates, so there is a little bit of paint there from another project, and that is a look I like. If you don't like that, make sure your plate is clean before you start. The second layer is my medium color of paint, and I'm going to prepare and print that layer just like I did before. I am also leaving the excess paint on there to dry. You can go ahead and take a ghost print after your first print, or you can clean your plate between layers if you like. The third layer is printed in the same way, and as long as you keep lining up the corner, you should get good results with your layered print. I was curious how the ghost print of all 3 layers would turn out, so that's why I let them dry together on the plate. One more layer of paint allows me to pull them all up together. And that isn't perfectly layered because I wasn't super precise in my placement of the stencils on the plate, but it's not terrible. It's recognizable as a rose, and it will make a nice card panel or base for another print or another project. The gel press is a great option for layered stencil sets, especially ones like this that have some more delicate areas. I hope these little tips help. Thank you so much for watching.